everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Leah, the owner and founder of Twisted Stitch Imprint Co. Today's video is about the marketplace. Now, if you haven't seen it yet, please go and check out that intro video. It is kind of the basis of the channel, what it's about, what I'll be doing, so that you're not surprised about my weirdness and my little quips. And if you see a vlog here or there, if you see me painting or doing earrings or something, you're not like, oh my God, what is she doing? Why is she doing it? You know? Yeah. So let's get into the video. I'll also be including some free patterns at the end. Not patterns that I made, but freebies that I've seen that I used for my marketplace whenever I went. Not my marketplace, but whenever I went to the market. Grocery shopping. No. That's so corny. All right, let's get started. I have my trusty dusty notebook here so I can keep track of everything because you know I talk a lot. So here we go. The first thing is kind of what I brought. I would let you guys know that my marketplace, the market was at the event was during Juneteenth. And so when I went, I showed up late. Don't ever do that. Ever. I cried. All right. I cried when I showed up late. We're very honest on this channel. All right. First I had a panic attack and then I cried and then I showed up late. It's funny now. It wasn't funny when it happened. So yeah, that's what happened. All my craziness was happening all at once. So make sure you show up on time. Make sure you have different items. So we'll go through my first item, my bees. There's a lot of different patterns out there for bees. I actually made my own pattern for my bee. Now this pattern right here is one that I followed by Crochet by Jenna. You can find, I'll link it in the description box below. I'll tag her video or whatever, I don't know. But this is my a bee. She got a twin though, y'all. Or he, or not that I looked at the bottom. She, he, whatever. But these are my sweet potato bees, or my, what is it, ube? Ube? Is it ube? That's the purple yam, like the Filipino yam. Is it Filipino? It's a yam. Sweet potato something. My yam bees. This kind of looks like the front butt. I gotta fix her. But these are my bees. Cha-cha! Ain't they cute? Now, I will put this in my next video about things to make your shop unique. I add gems to mine. I add little trinkets to my plushies. So that way, you know, like it says like TSP, Twisted Stitch Imprint. Okay. So they little bejeweled, and then they got like little gems. This one got like a little bear on it. This one got a little gem. And because the market that I was going to, the venue, the event, I also make sure you put in your calendar what the dates are, because I messed up my dates. It was a week before Juneteenth. So I thought it was on Juneteenth, and then I scheduled it around that, and it was actually a week before. And so I screwed up. So I didn't get a chance to put all my gems on there, but that's what I do. So my business actually specializes in gems, flowers, Irish crochet, Tunisian crochet. I like doing stuff like that. But this is a sweet potato bee. This kind of looks like a torpedo, but yes. I did bees. Bees will be your best bet, but I think right now bees are not the most popular because they're oversaturated. As you can see, I still have these. But I did realize a lot of people loved my gems. Now, That is what's special about my stuff. I suggest you find your own. Now, I'm not saying I don't share, but you better credit me for my stuff. All right? Now, another thing. You want to make sure your pricing is right so people can buy it. I have my mini bees. Look at this baby bee. Look at this cute little butt. Ah. Bee. He's cute, ain't he? You want to make sure you have little stuff too. Now, he will have a keychain right here so you can put it on a keychain and just wop, wop, wop. So I have little bees. Now, I have my Pickle Pals. Hey, cute. Look at the pickle. Look at the pickle. Now, another reason why you want to show up on time is so people can buy. I think that the event space, it was really weird because all the food was in the front and all of the items, like clothing, all the other stuff was like in the back, very back. And so not a lot of people came to the back. Everybody was like kind of at the front. It was really difficult for people to get to the back because everything was at the front. So I didn't really sell a lot. I sold like a sushi roll, some sushi. But it was my first sale ever. And I was proud of it. I made $20. Because it was pretty big. It was like pretty decent size. But yes, pickles are really popular right now. Emotional support pickles. And this is a really easy pattern. You just work in circles and do a bobble stitch. And that's a bobble stitch. Really easy. Now, something else I brought to my market that I created myself is a moo cow head. A moo cow head, a moo cow head, a moo cow head. My moo cow head, my strawberry shortcake moo cow head. Moo, moo, moo. Mooing for all the right things. Moo, moo, moo. Moo. But yes, my moo cow head. I don't know if I did create a pattern for it and I have it written down, but I don't know if people will be interested in purchasing something like this. It's just like a desk cow head, so you can sit it on your desk or sit it on your dresser. You know, I'll add like little gems to the ears and stuff like that, but I don't know if anybody will be interested in purchasing it. So I haven't sold it or written it yet. But yeah, people were interested in that too. And it's a decent size. This was the size of the sushi ball too that I sold. Another one is the Leggy Froggies. This is a free, easy pattern that people have made. There's a lot of these that are sold at markets. Babies love them. My nephew, I got him a lime green one. I made these in the color of a rainbow. And if you want to make sure that your set, like your setup is organized. I wish I took pictures of my setup. I believe my mom took a video of it, but I organized it in rainbow color so it can attract the eye. And then also make sure you're networking, because another vendor that was next to me, she crocheted too, and she came by and helped me set up my booth because she was saying you want to make sure you know, kind of, I don't want to say teeter, but like kind of make tiers of stuff so that way you can catch the eye of individuals walking by. But babies love these. My nephew just does like this. He just does like that. He also bites on it. He also bites on it. So yes, that is a good seller. My sea turtles. Nobody bought them. But he's so cute. My little bubble gum. Look at his little tail, his little nub. Nobody bought bubble gum. But it's a good seller because it's cute, it's professional looking, and yeah. Another one is the, what is this? Gummy bear. You kind of can't see it, kind of can, but this is like a bobble stitch as well. And I made a bunch of these too. It was decent. I think I have to work on my pricing a little bit more. Also, you know, we'll talk a little bit more about that on this channel. Like, we're here to help each other out, help each other be successful, because in this economy, none of us can afford to be broke. All right. So another thing that I made that people really loved is my little baby whales. Look, that's the water. Yeah, people love those. They loved them. Now, another thing that I made that I didn't bring to the market, I just made it, was my slithering snake. It's a short snake because I got tired and lazy and didn't want to continue it, but it's a slithering snake. You like my theme music? It's nice, right? Yeah. But yeah. I think snakes right now are really popular, so I would recommend, and it's really easy to do, I would recommend doing a snake. Do the snake. Another thing that I made that everybody loves, everybody does, is the octo. And I will be linking this as a freebie. This will be the bonus freebies. I will be linking this one, the Leggy Froggy, and the B. Okay? So those three I will be linking in the description so you guys can check those out and let me know how they go. Let me know what they like, if you can do it and if it works up easy for you. Let me know in the comments what you guys would like to see next. Also, you see my earrings, they're little burger, little pizza. Ain't it cute? Yeah, so today was a little quick video. I didn't want to do too much, just kind of show you what I brought to the event that I had did. And so yeah, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe to this channel because it's awesome and I'm the bomb.com and y'all the bomb.com. We're all amazing together. So take some time, walk outside, look at nature, and if you're allergic to nature, take some medicine and then still look at nature. You know, take a walk, breathe, be healthy, you know, stay off social media for a little bit. All right? Everybody, be nice, be good, and I will see y'all later. All right? Have a good, healthy day. Bye, lovely individuals.